I call up the divine God, goddess, archangels, guardian angels of India and guardian angels of every Indian to bless our beautiful country with peace, prosperity, protection and development. Protect our cultural heritage and uniqueness of every state. Please bless our country with good environment. Infuse divine wisdom in each and every resident of India so that peace and harmony prevails. Please cover India with a divine shield of protection and healing so that its country and its residents are safe in all directions of time. This or better. Amen.
ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಎಂಬುವನು ಗರ್ವದಿಂದ ಅದವಾನಿ ಸರ್ವ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನುಡಿಗಲಿತು ಅರಿತು ವಿದೆಯ ಪರ್ವತವೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. Written by Sarvagnya Pushpadatta.
Hi, my name is Ratan Raj and I'm in 4th E. Sarvajna did not become an omniscient by his pride. However, by learning one word of wisdom from each, he became a mountain of knowledge.
Tiyateniya sona na Telangana, Veera Charitalagona na Telangana. తరగలై గోదారి తలస్నానమైంది దుర్గలై కృష్ణమ్మ నీ కాలు కడిగింది తల్లి నీ కడుపులో తరగనన్ని గనులు సింగరేణి సిరులు నల్లవంగలు పొరలు.
Today I'm going to tell about our state Telangana. Our state Telangana is described as a honey-scented state that shines like gold. It displayed a lot of courage and bravery in the past. The river Godavari passes through the north while Krishna river flows through the south. Last but not least, it is a state which is filled with different minerals and natural resources.
அச்சமில்லை அச்ச என்பதில்லையே இச்சை கொடுத்து தொருளாம எடுத்த விட்ட போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்ச என்பதில்லையே துச்சமாக என்னை நம்பி தூள் செய்த போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்ச என்பதில்லையே பிச்சை வாங்கி உண்ணும் எல்லாம் எடுத்து விட்ட போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்ச என்பதில்லையே இச்சை கத்து தொழாம எடுத்து விட்ட போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்ச என்பதில்லையே.
I have no fear. There's not even a speck of fear in me. Even if every human in this world stands up against me, I have no fear. There's not even a speck of fear in me. Even if I was denigrated and slandered, I have no fear. There's not even a speck of fear in me. Even if I obtained a life where I have to beg to even eat, I have no fear. There's not even a speck of fear in me. Even if I lose all the objects that I had desired, I have no fear. There's not even a speck of fear in me.
വലിയൊരു ലോകം നന്നാക്കാൻ ചെറിയൊരു സൂത്രം ചെവിയിലോ ഞാൻ സ്വയം നന്നാവുക. Written by Kunyani Mash.
Meaning, to make the big world, universe, a better place to live. I will share a small tip. I will change myself. I will better myself.
पांडवानी हमर छत्तीसगढ़ी लोकप्रिय गीत हावे. हमर छत्तीसगढ़ धान का कटोरा कहलावे. छत्तीसगढ़ में दुनिया का अब्बड़ बड़ा कोयला उत्पादक हावे. छत्तीसगढ़िया सबसे बढ़िया. कौनो समय छत्तीसगढ़ में छत्तीसगढ़ रहे हावे. ये करबर नाम छत्तीसगढ़ पड़े हावे.
Panwani is our Chhattisgarhi folk song. Chhattisgarh is world's largest coal producer. Our Chhattisgarh is called the bowl of rice. Slogan Chhattisgarhi is the best. At one time there were 36 foods in Chhattisgarh, hence the name Chhattisgarh.
Hi everyone, I will play Saare Jahan Se Acha.
task of collecting facts and trivia of the 7 states and the Union Territories, but my teammates have an important match to attend and we are here all by ourselves.
Well, not to worry. I can definitely help you with that. Let me call my teammates too.
Amar makes a call to his teammates and tells them that Priya needs help with the project.
Hey ha! Facts and trivia about Indian states and Union Territories. Interesting. Let's start. I know something about Mizoram, the state I belong to.
All the shops in Mizoram open without the shopkeepers. The shopkeepers keep some small boxes in the shops and leave. The buyers come take the product they need and keep the money in the boxes and leave. All these shops work on the principle of trust. This tradition of opening the shops without the shopkeepers is known as Naga Lord Law. It is common between the inhabitants in and around the Mizoram city.
Wow, I couldn't trust anyone even with a chocolate.
Did you know the world's highest great ground is at an altitude of around 2,144 meters above sea level in Himachal Pradesh? The Jade Great Ground, which is located in Himachal Pradesh in the middle of captivating deodar forest, has also entered the Guinness Book of World Records. I would like to visit the place sometime during my summer vacation next year.
May all your dreams come true, my friend. Since you said cricket, I remember sports. The world's highest golf course, the Yards Golf Course, is also in our nation. It entered the Guinness Book of World Record in the year 2006.
Himalayas, gurgling streams and sweeping lush greenery surround the hilly golf course. The Yak Golf Course, located in Kupuk, East Sikkim, is at an altitude of 30,025 feet. It was initiated in 1972. Brigadier Ranveer Singh and Colonel T.K. Modi completed it as an 18-hole golf course.
You said golf. Golf is our director J.P. Reddy sir's favorite sport. Yes, he's so passionate about the sport. I saw a picture of him playing golf in Coffee Table Book.
Hey guys, this time during my summer vacation I happened to visit one of my friends in Uttarakhand. He took me to Rupkund Lake. Set in the laps of Himalayas, Rupkund Lake is a mystery lake. At the bottom of the lake lie mysterious skeletons which were deposited under mysterious circumstances. The lake is roughly at an altitude of 16,470 feet, 5,020 meters. The lake overlooks the snow-clad rocks and glaciers. It was awesome yet scary at the same time.
Hey, you know science excites me a lot and I cannot control my excitement the moment someone mentions space. I recently visited the Lona Lake in Lona in the district of Balwan and Mara. This lake was a meteorite activity about 52,000 years ago. This hidden gem is only 4-hour drive away from Maharashtra's Aurangabad. The Lona Lake crater is one of Earth's 4 known high-velocity impact craters in basaltic rock. The other 3 are in southern Brazil.
We have a wealth of information.
When you said wealth, I remembered health. Healthy home. Bihar has plenty of yummy and healthy fruits and vegetable farms. Mangoes, lychees and bananas are most grown fruits. One of India's best types of potato, called the sweet potato, is grown here. These potatoes make the best chips ever. Somebody please take me to Bihar. I'm already hungry.
We shall go after we are done with the project. Wow, we are now done with 6 states. 1 more to go.
Ritesh and Nikalesh, tell us something interesting about a state Gujarat.
Sure, just think of this. Can you imagine a car going up the hill itself without a driver?
What you're going to tell us about? Ghost story, isn't it?
No, not at all. If we visit Tulsi Sham in Gujarat, Amreli district, don't get freaked out by this bizarre sight. In this area, the hills acts against gravity.
Having said that, in Leh Ladakh's magnetic hills also has this anti-gravity aspect due to which objects and cars might appear rolling up the hill automatically.
How is gravity not ghost?
Let me give you some quick facts about the Union Territories of India. While Lakshadweep is the smallest in India, it's only 32 square kilometers, Andaman and Nicobar Islands have a maximum area of around 8,249 square kilometers.
Comparative data. Let me also give you one such fact. Among all the Union Territories, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands have the least population density of 46 people per square kilometer. National average created per square kilometer, whereas Delhi has the maximum population density of 11,297 per square kilometer, which is more than all states too.
Wow, you have finished with the project. Priya, now you can fare it up and submit it to the teacher as soon as possible.
Thank you so much, Amma and the team. That's so good and thoughtful.
ref. Today I'm gonna play Mile Sur Mera Tumhara.